loves, welcome to Vlogmas Day 25, and today on Vlogmas 25 we are going to do a get ready with me. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad, whatever you people call it. One more day till Vlogmas is over, and after the 26th of December I will be on vacation, meaning I'm not going anywhere. I will not be uploading all the way until January 4th or January 5th. Not sure yet, but I will let you know in the community slot. So with that being said, we're going to do a get ready with me. So I'm going to go wet my hair and I will be back. So I'll be wearing my two-piece outfit, which is actually a three-piece outfit. I made this shirt within 5 or 10 minutes. Then I have a long cardigan with a mini skirt, and I'm going to pair it with one of Shoe Dazzle shoes. So stay tuned and I'll be right back after I wet my hair down. I am back. I had to put something over my shirt so it will not get wet. In the meantime, in between time, let's do my eyebrows. We're going to throw on some foundation and a nice lip. So we're going to time lapse the rest of this video. Okay, my loves, that concludes this makeup look. Just simple, quick, basic. I will call it a holiday look because it is Christmas. So with that being said, stay tuned for the outfit photos coming up next. And have a great day. Comment, like, and subscribe.